Yeah, Bob, the report was obtained and published by the New York Times, and it does not sugarcoat the situation. It shows that the White House task force sees Utah and the United States have not come close to controlling the situation. The Utah data company Domo shows the current COVID-19 case rate for the United States at 851 cases per 100,000. Here we are compared to Europe's 5 biggest countries. The comparison with our closest neighbors, Mexico and Canada, looks even worse. The same picture with the world's 5 biggest countries by population. The countries closest to us for case rates, it's an unusual list. Sweden is closest. They decided to go for herd immunity and had nearly no restrictions. The U.S. has been unique in its decentralized state-by-state approach, and there are vast differences from state to state. This chart shows the percentage of positive tests in every state for the last week. In green are the 18 states and the District of Columbia seeing fewer than 5% of tests returned positive. In yellow, the states with a positive test rate above 5%, the ones that don't meet the threshold the World Health Organization recommends before reopening. You see Utah in red, 13th from the bottom. The White House task force put 21 states in their so-called red zone this week. In their summary, they say for Utah, Utah is in the red zone for cases and the yellow zone for test positivity. To help, they say, the federal government has deployed the following staff: 2 staff members to support operations. Among the recommendations for Utah, they say closing bars and reducing indoor dining at restaurants is critical, and statewide mask mandate is critical to stop the spread. Utah's case numbers have been looking, Bob, as you mentioned, better for the past 4 days, though our positive test rate is still high. Now, we might look better in next week's White House task force report if that continues, and if we get to see the report. Live in the newsroom, Max Roth, Fox 13 News, Utah.